Hello students, I am Sridhar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. Today I want to discuss some more examples of integration, the formulae which we discussed in the earlier class. Okay, already we have discussed two formulae and some examples of the two formulae. Now in today's class I would like to discuss the third formula and the related examples. Okay, so as we know the first two formulae, integration 1 by root a square minus x square into dx equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. Already we did some problems on this. Okay, next formula, second one, integration 1 by root a square plus x square into dx or 1 by root x square plus a square into dx. Both are same because plus is there in between the terms. The formula for this is sine h inverse of x by a plus c. So the problems on these two formulae are over. Now we discuss formulae number 3 related examples. What is formula number 3? 1 by root x square minus a square into dx. This is equal to what is the formula? Cos h inverse x by a. So we did one problem, one example. We do one example. We do one example. 1 by root of x square minus 81 dx. So here already I told you in the previous class we have to write 81 as perfect square number. 81 can be written as 9 square. So clearly it is of the form cos h inverse x by a, that is x by 9 plus c. Okay, right, let us see this example. Integration of 1 by root 3x square minus 9 into dx. How to do this one? Did you remember the process? So first we take common x square coefficient because x square coefficient is not 1 here. Here x square coefficient is 3. So you can take common 3 from this expression. Then 3 times 9 into dx. Now here root 3 is a constant. So taking 1 by root 3 out, we have 1 by root x square minus root 3 whole square into dx. Is it clear up to now? Okay. So that is equal to integral 1 by root 3 1 by root of x square minus root 3 whole square into dx. So 1 by root 3, clearly the formula for this is cos h inverse. Cos h inverse x by root 3 plus c. Okay, is it clear this problem? Right, done. We discuss one more formula and example of that formula. Okay, so next formula, fourth formula is the denominator not having the root. 1 by a square plus x square into dx. Okay, as you know, 1 by a square plus x square into dx equal to 1 by x square plus a square. So if plus is there between two terms, then both are equal. So here root is not there. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c is the formula. Okay, we see one example. Let us do this one. 1 by x square plus 16 into dx. Okay, so what is the first step here? First you have to convert 16 as perfect square number. 1 by x square plus 4 square. 1 by x square plus 4 square. So what is a here? What is a here? 4. What is our formula? 1 by a, that is 1 by 4 tan inverse of x by a, x by 4 plus c. So which is our answer? Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Let us see one more problem on this formula. Okay, we will see one example. Integral 1 by 9x square plus 36 into dx. Integral 1 by 9x square plus 36 into dx. Let us see how to do this problem. Yes, as we know that if x square coefficient is not unity, that means not 1, that means other than 1, then the basic step is you have to take common the x square coefficient. What is the x square coefficient here? 9. So take 9 common. If we take 9 common, then what we get? 9 of 9 1 is 9. Therefore 1 into x square. 1x square plus how many times 36? 9 4 times 36. Good. 9 4 times 36 into dx. So if we take common 9, so we got 1 by 9 of x square plus 4. Okay. So 1 by 9 is clearly constant. It doesn't affect the integration. So take the 1 by 9 out. We have 1 by 9 of x square plus 9 4 is 36, that is 4 into dx. Now how do we write? Integration of 1 by 9 into 1 by x square plus 2 square into dx. Now it is clearly of the form 1 by x square plus a square. As I told you, 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a square plus x square. So 1 by 9 of, according to the formula, 1 by a. A means here 2. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. If we write one more step, 1 by 9 2 is 18. 1 by 18 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. So which is our answer? Is it clear? Okay, done. Right? Thank you. Now we have one more formula, fifth formula. Okay, what is the fifth formula? 1 by, sorry, something happened here. Yes, we do one more problem. Integration of on this formula, 1 by a square minus x square into dx. So we know the formula for this. What is the formula here? 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. 1 by a square minus x square is there in the denominator. It is not in the root form. So 1 by 2a log a plus x in the numerator. Remember, a minus x in the denominator. If root is not there for a square minus x square, then 1 by 2a log. Okay, if your root is there in the denominator, sine inverse. Please observe the difference. Okay, now we do one problem on this. So 1 by 4 minus x square into dx. So clearly which is not having the root in the denominator. So that we have to write it as, convert the 4 to perfect square number, 2 square minus x square. So which is clearly of the form 1 by a square minus x square. So what is our formula here? 1 by 2a, that is 2 into 2 log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So what our answer is? 1 by 4 log modulus of 2 plus x by 2 minus x plus c. Is it clear? Okay, so please observe once again, I am explaining this problem. 1 by a square minus x square, it is not under the root. Observe that. So if it is not under the root, then our formula RHS part consisting of log. So 1 by 2a log modulus. Why we have taken modulus here means logarithms are defined only for positive numbers. Logarithms only defined for positive numbers. That means in logarithm, if there is negative or positive, consider only positive value. Okay. So 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c, which is our formula. Now we are doing the problem 1 by 4 minus x square into dx. 4 can be written as 2 square as a perfect square. 1 by 2 square minus x square into dx. So clearly a is comparing, a is to here 1 by 2 into 2 into log of 2 plus x by 2 minus x plus c. So 1 by 4 into log 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Okay, is it clear? Right, thank you. Yes, we do one more problem on this concept. Integration of 1 by 3 minus 4x square into dx. 1 by 3 minus 4x square into dx. Okay, students. So here, what is in the denominator? 3 minus 4x square. So clearly x square coefficient is not unity. X square coefficient is 4. So to convert to our formula, first you have to take 4 common. So 4 of, so sir, if 4 is there but 3 not a multiple of 4, how can we common 4? Some may get a doubt. But if a number is not a multiple of another number, that number should be in the by form. That means if 4 is not a multiple of 3, therefore 4 should be in the denominator if we take 4 common. So we have to write like this. So 3 by 4 minus x square into dx. Okay. So according to our formula, 1 by 4 taking out because it is a constant, and we will write one more step. 3 by 4, you have to write 3 by 4 as a perfect square number. As I told you, if a number cannot be written as perfect square directly, we should take it in the root form, root 3 by 2 whole square. So 3 by 4 can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, 1 by 4 into integration of 1 by root 3 by 2 whole square minus x square. Okay, now I am writing here. So what is our formula here now? 1 by 2a log. 1 by 2a log is our formula. So this is equal to 1 by 2a. What is in the place of a here? Sorry, 1 by 4 is already there. So here first you have to write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is already there here, so 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 1 by 2a, that is 2 into root 3 by 2. In the place of a, what is there here? Root 3 by 2 is there. In the place of a, root 3 by 2 is there. So 1 by 2a, that is 2 into root 3 by 2 into log modulus of a plus x. A means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. A means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus x by root 3 by 2 minus x plus c. Okay. Now if you want to do one more step, so this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so 1 by 4 root 3 into log of calculation part. So you know calculation, take LCM, root 3 plus 2x by root 3 minus 2x. Where is the 2? So in the numerator also 2 is there, in the denominator also 2 is there. So for numerator and denominator, the 2 get cancelled. Okay. So this is our answer, 1 by 4 root 3 log root 3 plus 2x by root 3 minus 2x plus c. Okay. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, done. Thank you. So if you like this video, if you understand the problems what I told you, so please like, share, subscribe my channel, and these are very useful problems in your integration in your secondary intermediate. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and we'll meet in the next session with next formulae, next 6 formulas. Okay, next 6 formulae, we'll give some examples of that. Thank you very much. By signing off, Sridhar.